Hi folks, if you click on text then auto captions, and then where the slider is, move that over and then click on start. Then it will auto generate captions. Now I'm going to go in and adjust captions. When you adjust one caption, it adjusts all of them. So when I say that, I mean text style. So I'm going to highlight the clip, and then I'm going to change the H to uppercase. Then I'm going to change the font. So you can see what I'm doing there. That's my preferred font, which makes it look a lot better. I'm going to add a background. Now, I've got another video that I'm going to add on the end of this. This is a whole CapCut course, so you might find other useful information in there. So you can see the text there. If you found value in this video, please subscribe.